Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy here. How are you doing all? And today's video, I will show you how I unbox Louis Vuitton Alma Mini. And here it is. Let's go guys. And first of all, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, so let's open it and I'll show you how it looks like. I bought it this one long time ago, before pandemic. And wait, this one they have this little here, Louis Vuitton contact seller, client services if you need anything, and a thank you notes for this envelope. So as you can see, and have some knickknacks here guys. For EP, it's French I think. And we have this, and oh, we have the wipe I think. And I think there's the receipt, maybe it's here. An email too, the email it too. But here it look like guys. Wow, nice. And it's very small, like here you go. And they have their logo here, LV. And the thing with this, it's okay, but you cannot remove this, the handle, like the sling or the, you cannot remove, you cannot replace it, and then you cannot adjust it too. That's the thing with this, but it's still okay. I still like it. And the handle is just leather. And they have this one, Louis Vuitton Paris. And then let's open it. I think you can, yeah, we can fit my phone. It can fit my phone here. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And the cloth here is so like how you call, velvety. So I will put my phone. So I have my phone here. You can put it. And there's a pocket here too guys, that you can put your keys or maybe hand sanitizer, but watch out with your hand sanitizer because sometimes it open and it will mess up your bag. You're gonna ruin it. And I have my hand cream, you can put it, and my headset, you can put it too. So basically you can fit like nice, like not too much, but you can fit your needs. If you go out, your keys, you still have space here guys. Or you can put your lipstick. So it's a lot you can fit here, as you can see. It's nice and just simple and elegant, this one. I will compare it like pochette, or this one is like just a normal one, but this one is more wide, so you can fit a lot of stuff here. But instead of opening, it's a bit tight, but still works guys for like you go somewhere, friends party or whatever. So please comment below if you need something or if you want me to do something. And that's the one that are there. In winter time, maybe you can put gloves, a little wipes there. They have wipes. So it's very nice and pretty. They have this one, the chain and the leather. So which is I like too, because it's not cold in my shoulder if all chain is the sling. So that's with Louis Vuitton bag, and I think they have dash bag. So after you use, you can put it on back so that it's not will ruin or like make it your bag really nice and beautiful. So that's why it's called dash bag. So you can wear like this guys, anything you want. I mean, how you wear it, like simple like that. Which is your comfortable. Guys, that's it for my mini. So if you have comments and wants to know something, comment below. Please comment below and let me know. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel guys, and be safe and share some love. Bye, see you in my next one.